Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Cozy winter scene of a charming wooden cabin adorned for the holiday season, featuring rich dark brown wood exteriors. The front porch is embellished with vibrant red bows, festive wreaths, and strings of warm yellow fairy lights creating a magical glow. Snow gently falling, blanketing the ground and surrounding trees, enhances the serene atmosphere. Flanking the door, lush green potted plants and red poinsettias add a pop of color, while classic lanterns emit a soft light. A warm, inviting dining room set for a festive holiday meal, featuring a long wooden table adorned with elegant plates and glassware. The table is vibrant with a centerpiece of a golden brown roasted turkey, surrounded by ripe fruits and garnished with greenery and cranberries. Soft candlelight flickers from multiple candles, casting a cozy glow over the scene. In the background, a beautifully decorated Christmas tree twinkles with lights and ornaments, and the walls are adorned with tasteful decorations, including a vintage portrait above a mantel. Cozy holiday dining scene inside a rustic log cabin, featuring a long wooden table set with elegant dinnerware, surrounded by wooden chairs. The stone fireplace at the center radiates warmth, with a crackling fire creating a soft glow. Adorning the fireplace are festive decorations, including stockings and a lush green wreath. Cozy winter kitchen interior, featuring a stone fireplace with a crackling fire, peaceful and inviting atmosphere. Large windows frame a snowy outside landscape, soft morning light spilling into the room. Decorated with a tall Christmas tree adorned with lights and ornaments, a rustic wooden bench with red and white cushions, and a beautifully patterned red area rug on warm wooden floorboards. Cabinets with white finish are complemented by subtle festive decorations, while garlands and a wreath add a touch of holiday spirit. Cozy winter kitchen interior, featuring rustic wooden beams and a warm stone backsplash. The kitchen is adorned with Christmas decorations, including green garlands with red bows, string lights, and candles adding a soft glow. A farmhouse sink is centrally located, surrounded by dark wooden cabinetry with rich grain textures. The countertops are dusted with snow, and colorful holiday treats are artistically arranged. Cozy rustic kitchen adorned for the holidays, detailed wood-paneled walls with festive greenery and red ornaments framing the shelves. Soft natural light spills in through a large window, illuminating a rich palette of deep greens, warm wood tones, and vibrant reds. A vintage black stove takes center stage, surrounded by rustic kitchenware, jars, and utensils neatly arranged. A cozy, inviting kitchen adorned for Christmas, featuring rustic wooden countertops and light gray cabinetry. The scene captures the warmth of soft, ambient lighting, with fairy lights delicately intertwined among greenery and holiday decorations. Two windows frame the scene, showcasing wreaths with red bows that echo the festive color palette. Stockings hang from the cabinets, adding a touch of tradition. A rich red area rug with festive patterns sits on the wooden floor, enhancing the warm, homely atmosphere. Cozy, inviting farmhouse kitchen during winter, featuring warm wooden shelves adorned with greenery and seasonal decorations, two large windows framing a snowy landscape outside, soft natural light illuminating the space, color palette of cream, browns, and touches of red, rustic wooden countertops paired with elegant white cabinetry. Cozy interior of a rustic cabin during winter, featuring a wooden table adorned with 3 festive mugs, 2 red with white snowflakes and 1 white with red accents. The background is softly illuminated by warm lights, creating a bokeh effect that enhances the holiday atmosphere. A vibrant arrangement of evergreen branches and red berries adds a touch of nature, while a knitted red and white cloth under the mugs introduces texture. Cozy, rustic living room interior, hyperrealistic style, featuring a warm brown sofa adorned with a mix of colorful cushions in rich reds and earthy tones. A plush armchair complements the sofa, set against wooden walls that convey a sense of warmth. Large windows framed by natural wood showcase a snowy landscape outside, illuminating the space with soft, diffused light. A large, vibrant red area rug anchors the room, with intricate patterns adding character. Cozy and inviting living room scene during the holiday season, featuring a beautifully decorated Christmas tree adorned with colorful ornaments and twinkling lights. The space has a warm, rustic feel with wooden beams and white shiplap walls. A traditional fireplace with a stone facade is warmly lit, surrounded by hanging stockings and festive garlands. Cozy bedroom interior during winter, featuring a large, inviting bed with a soft white cover and a warm red plaid blanket layered on top. The walls are made of rustic wood, adorned with a festive wreath and twinkling fairy lights that cast a gentle glow. Natural light streams through a large window with a view of a snowy landscape outside. Cozy cabin living room during winter, warm and inviting atmosphere, rustic wooden walls and large windows letting in soft natural light, a plush beige couch adorned with red and white decorative pillows, a beautifully decorated Christmas tree with twinkling lights and colorful ornaments, vibrant red and gold gift boxes beneath the tree, a traditional Persian-style rug in deep reds and intricate patterns, a stone fireplace with a glowing fire. Welcome Merry Christmas 2024.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.